Welcome back to Law Series Gateway to the Legal World. Our objective is to disseminate the information on the legal matters to the common man. I hope the objective is met with these sessions. I wholeheartedly thank each one of you for providing your feedback and encouragement given by you people. It is because of your feedback that we are improving the quality and content of these sessions. Earlier, we were providing the text format. Now, we have switched over to the video format. Thank you for that. Please continue to give your feedback and add more members so that the purpose is served and we reach community at large. We educate the people, the common citizens on law matters at large. In the last session, we discussed about Article 19(1) of Indian Constitution, which confers 6 rights to the citizens of India. And these rights are only for the citizens of India and not for others. Today, we are going to discuss on Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution that says, every citizen has the right to freedom of speech and expression. That means every individual has the right to speak what he thinks and he has a right to express his views, thoughts and actions. But there are restrictions imposed under Article 19(2) of Indian Constitution. Anything that is affecting the sovereignty and integrity of the state, the security of the state, friendly relationship with the foreign countries, public order, the decency and morality, contempt of court, defamation, and incitement to an offence is restricted under the Constitution of India, Article 19(2), which means you can express, you can speak, but not on something related to the country's security, sovereignty, on the relationship India has with other countries. That becomes a contravention to the provisions given to you. It becomes contravention to the rights provided to you. One matter you will have to note here, one important thing. Unlike the Constitution of United States of America, Indian Constitution doesn't confer right to press. I mean right to freedom of press. But Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, has explained during the debates in the Constitution Assembly that no special mention of freedom of press is necessary, as the press and the individual or citizens were the same as far as the right of expression was concerned. That means what press can tell, you can also tell. That means both press and you as a citizen has equal rights to express your thoughts, your ideas. In fact, this is the foundation for the successful democracy. Indian democracy has been very successful because of this. The people voice is stronger than anything. Various Supreme Court judgments have been reiterating this concept. In Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras, Justice Patanjali Shastri observed that freedom of speech and of press lay the foundation of all democratic organization. Without free political discussion, no public education. So essential for the proper functioning of the process of popular government is possible. That means if you want to have free political discussion, you have to express your views. And if you have to challenge the decisions of government, which you feel is wrong, you have to open up, you have to speak, you have to express. Today, The method of expression and speech are in plenty in number. There are a lot of electronic platforms where you can express, but still you have the limitations. You can't be talking something about the sovereignty and integrity of the state. You can't be talking on the security of the state. You can't be talking on the friend relationship with foreign countries. You cannot be talking on the public order. You cannot be talking on the decency and morality. You cannot be talking on the contempt of court. You cannot defame some individual, or you cannot entice somebody to commit an offense. These are the restrictions imposed. Other than these, you can express your views. In Indian Express newspaper versus Union of India, the justice had held that the press plays a very significant role in the democratic machinery. It said, the courts have the duty to uphold the freedom of press and invalidate all laws and administrative actions that abridge that freedom. Freedom of press has three essential elements, is what the court said. Those three are freedom of access to all sources of information, freedom of publication and circulation. So the press it can express its views and publish, and it can circulate. So that is the right you have as far as your expressions are concerned, your speech is concerned. However, in certain cases, the state machinery, basically the executive, has tried to infringe the rights of freedom and expression. If I have to say, I will give one example. Two actually occurred recently in the state of Maharashtra, and in the city of Mumbai. Number one, when a retired officer from the forces shared an WhatsApp picture, a political community actually opposed him indirectly, though not directly, it is indirectly opposed. That is contravention to the provisions of the Constitution. Under this article, you cannot stop somebody who is sharing his views. There, any of the restrictions imposed under Constitution of India was not apparent. It is not manifesting there. Therefore, that is allowed. But some vested interest attacked that ex officer of the forces. In another case, in the same city, a television was banned. The what do you call, the telecast of a news channel was banned in the city of Mumbai. Even that is contravention to the provisions provided by the Constitution of India under 19(1)(a), that is freedom of speech and expression. So therefore, you have the right to express your views subject to restriction imposed under Article 19(2). Thank you very much for listening this video. Have more members in this group so that we contribute to the society. Thank you very much.